Hi, Luxa. Is it Lion? Lion. Good girl. Good girl. Give it. Let go. Let go. No? You don't want to let go? How about you? I don't know. Let go? I have quail. Luxa, Mommy has quail. Mommy has quail. Luxa, Luxa. Get. Lux. Luxa. Luxa. Lux. Get it. Good girl. Are you like a fucking Olympian? Are you a fucking Olympian? No, not really. Are you happy your mommy's home? Give me. Give me. Let go. Oh! Get it! Good girl. Who's that good girl? Yes, that's you. That's you, Luxa. Give me quail. Give me. Give me quail. I got it. See it? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you're happy mommy's home.